All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and today we're going to talk about a trade that I took on gold, and it was a quick scalping trade, okay? I learned this strategy from Forex with Cody, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what's inside the scalping course in a bit. All right, but I'm just going to talk to you about how I entered the trade and what I saw and my idea behind it, okay? So today there was news on gold or on USD, right? Which would affect gold. So there was core CPI, right? So core CPI news today. All red folders, right? All red folders meaning high impact news. Okay, the market's gonna move, something's gonna happen, all right? So looking at it right here, we are on the 8-hour, okay? And you guys see these green and red arrows? That is Forex with Cody's signals, all right? That helps me find trades and identify the type 3 candle patterns, all right? And that's what we look for in his strategy. We look for type 3 candle patterns. All right, so just moving on. So what I saw in this trade, right? So here's a shoulder, looking at head and shoulders. So here's a shoulder, head, shoulder, right? That's what I see. And then this big ass candle right here, right? And then this neckline. So what I was waiting for or wanted was the neckline to get broken and then fill that space down, right? That's how head and shoulders should work. Doesn't have to. Price can do whatever it wants. Price is king. Price can just shoot up if it wants to. But back to the trade, right? How I entered, why I entered, and yeah. So again, this comes from Forex with Cody's scalping strategy, and it's based off the 2-hour. Okay, so I found this signal right here on the 2-hour candle, right? So let's go into replay. Start here. So right now you don't see that signal, right? It's gone. It's on the next candle. So what I did was I placed a sell stop about 10 pips below, and then just waited for the candle to get activated, right? I mean the trade to get activated, right? And I risked a 1 to 1.5. I did 50 pips to get 75 pips, okay? And right now we're on the hourly. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. But this trade happened really quick because of news, right? So you see this big ass wick right here. I believe that is when news got released around 8:30. So at first they had shot up and then came back down, right? It rejected it, right? You see rejection wicks, right? So it rejected that area. So where else could it go? It could go down. Again, we had the signal on the 2-hour, got the trade up, right? And wanted to see what would happen. Let's see what happens, right? Boom. So on the very next hour, right? What was this? 10 a.m. So at 11 a.m., the trade got activated and take profit got hit. We never saw a drawdown. Straight boom into TP. Yeah, so again, this came from Forex with Cody's scalping strategy, and right in here, this is what he has inside it. It's a quick little course, right? Gold scalping crash course, right? Crash course. So he has a little welcoming video, talks about the indicator and how you get it, and then the type 3 setup, what he looks for in the type 3 setup. Talks about risk management, never risking more than 1 to 2% of your account, and then trading plan. He puts it all together for you and shows you the what you should look for and what not to look for, right? But yeah, that's about it, guys. Again, I'm gonna leave a link for you guys in the description for Forex Dakota's courses and signals. And as always, guys, please leave a like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate the support, everybody. Thank you.